Today I'm making 1 bowl vegan zucchini brownies. Let's get started. First we want to mix the flour, sugar, and oil in a bowl please. After you add the zucchini, it doesn't seem like the batter is going to come together into a brownie batter, but just keep mixing. After about 5 minutes, it will start to look like a brownie batter. While I'm waiting for the brownies to bake in the oven, just want to let you know some substitutions that I made to the recipe that I linked in my post. First, I used grapeseed oil instead of canola oil. And I used a little bit less sugar. I used 1 1/4 cup granulated sugar instead of 1 1/2 cups. And finally, I used miniature semi-sweet chocolate chips instead of bittersweet chocolate chips. Okay, the brownies are in the oven and they will bake for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. The brownies cool completely after I took them out of the oven, and I cut them into squares, and this is what they look like. Now let's give them a try. They taste really good. They're fudgy, chocolatey, and moist, and I don't taste the zucchini at all. This is a great recipe, and it's vegan.